wabere nagambaho n'abazeire hamwe n'abarukurebera abana abayishomero rya Queen Mother Best Nursery Primary and Vocational School irukushangwa muri Kitumbo mu Rembo rwa Fort Poto Queen Best Kemgisa yurikiro kweraritera abo muhendo gw'abana barukurwo mu mashomero bakiri bato ugumanwe yongera bwashesha bwira ukutira mnonga umutsanga ecyator bigambo bye umujwera nyino mukama Best Kemgisa yanangiriza abazeire kufayo mnonga ahabyo bwegese by'abana babo
leta abana babo basomera kusoma. Education is the key. Soma. Jara isomero ya Mother Best School kandi ni sponsoring abana gusa n'abandi abakwatira orphanage inayobekere
muringo nugo gumwe nyino mukama w'ubukama bwa toro awumurize abazeire abarukwereberera abana babo bateine bakazi ningashi abakazi abateine basheija ukufayo munonga agatsena kahango kurebekangwa abana babo babasa kushoma.
We visited one of the places in Kazingo. We empowered them and we gave them capital to start doing their women activities, doing some work. So I want to encourage you to be firm, especially mothers, single mothers. Single mothers, are you here? Yes. Yes, single mothers, we've gone through single life. I know about single mothers. I respect you because you take care of the children, your kids. You do a lot of work as mothers. Forget about me. Women, we have done a lot, especially here in Toro. We have a lot of orphans.
Mukorogu umujwera nyino mukama biratayise Zorani Mukiva gurwo mwihanga area South Africa. Ogu ahamiza abantu bo bukama bwa Toro kubeine omukago ogurebekangu habasa kubaho enkwatanisa y'amani ombyo bwegese ukwindra abyo bwegese umucanga cha Africa.
As one primary mode area that we are going to be focusing on going forward. And we said as a starting point to demonstrate our commitment together with Patricia Career. We'll come here to present the groceries. But we know that this is a short-term intervention. We want to hold hands with the Best Kemgisa Foundation, the Queen Mother Foundation. What we can do as part and parcel of the sustainable project to support your leadership here.
Zorani ashoborire ngutumbyo bwegese byo aho beine nkwatanisa n'obukama bwa Toro ngukonga no mbindi bintu byentunguka ebitari bimwe na bimwe.
Support you for projects that are resilient, including water projects, boreholes and so on, which we want to equip, by the way, so that we make water easy to flow from wherever the wells are to the communities.
Bigambo bye umukirwa w'obukama bwa Toro Calvin Armstrong Ruome ashoborera karunji akari ombyo bwegese kutara mnonga umukushagika nyentya y'umwana wa Toro.
Kusomesa abana kikuru okuba esinganto kusomesa no kwiha abantu abo buryo abo mwese kandi vocational schools zino ezegesa twegesa bino bisomero bya primary nabikwetegesa ebintu bya abantu kwega bahagenda bakora
makora agagasha kwa Justin Nyakaiseke abatayari West mu Rembo rwa Fort Poto.
Odi yije mama rugayi kwata ko mu deputy Musuga